Tom, hello. Come in, come in.
Hello, Mia. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am a little tired, but happy.
Tired? Why? Did you sleep late last night?
Yes, I watched a movie. A long movie.
Oh no, what movie?
An action movie. Very exciting. I could not stop watching.
I know that feeling. Please, sit down.
Thank you. Your home is very nice today. Very clean.
Oh, thank you. I cleaned this morning. Do you want some water or tea?
Tea, please. Thank you, Mia.
One moment. Here you go. Careful, it is hot.
Thank you. It smells good. What tea is this?
It is ginger tea. Do you like ginger?
Yes, I love ginger tea. Very warm and good.
Good. Tom, I want to show you something.
Oh, what is it?
I found a picture. A very nice picture. I think you will like it.
Really? What kind of picture?
It is a colorful picture with people and food.
People and food? I like both. Haha.
I know. Come, look at this.
Okay, where is it?
Here, on the table. Come and see.
Wow, it is very nice.
Yes, I like it very much. It is very colorful.
Yes, very colorful. I see red, yellow, green, orange, so many colors.
It makes me feel happy. What about you?
Me too. I feel happy and warm inside, like a sunny day.
Yes, exactly. It feels like a sunny day.
What is this place? Is it a shop?
No, it is not a shop. It is a market, an outdoor market.
Oh, I see. Like a street market.
Yes, look at the sign. It says local market.
Oh, yes, I can see it. It is in the middle, at the top.
And there is another sign. It says organic.
Organic? What does organic mean?
Organic food is very natural. The farmer does not use bad chemicals.
Oh, that is good for your body.
Yes, organic food is healthy, but sometimes it is expensive.
Yes, I think so too. But good food is important.
I agree. Okay, Tom, what do you see in the picture? Tell me.
Okay, I see many fruits. On the left, I see bananas, big yellow bananas.
Yes, they look very fresh.
And I see oranges, many oranges. They are in a big basket.
I see them too. They look juicy.
Yes, I want to eat one now.
Me too. And look, I see tomatoes on the right side.
Oh yes, red tomatoes, many tomatoes. They are in a wooden box.
Very red and very beautiful.
And I see pineapples on the right side at the bottom.
Oh, yes, big pineapples. I love pineapples.
Me too. Do you eat pineapple often?
Yes, in summer. I put pineapple in fruit salad.
That sounds delicious.
It is. Okay, what else do you see?
I see green vegetables on the right side, long and green.
Yes, I think they are green beans or spring onions.
And I see mangoes, yellow and orange ones, on the left, at the bottom.
Good eyes, Tom. Yes, those are mangoes.
I love mangoes. They are my favorite fruit.
Really? My favorite is strawberries. but I don't see strawberries here.
Haha, no strawberries today, Mia.
That's okay. There are many other fruits.
Yes, so many. This market is very full, very rich.
Rich is a good word. The market looks rich with food.
Now let's look at the people. I see many people.
Yes, the market is very busy. Many people are shopping.
Look at the woman on the left. She has a blue dress.
Yes, she is young. She has long, dark hair.
She is talking to the seller. The seller is a woman, too.
The seller is wearing a brown apron. She is holding an orange.
She is giving the orange to the woman in blue.
Yes, like a gift, but I think the woman is buying it.
Haha, yes, of course. It is a market, not a gift shop.
Right. The seller looks very friendly. She is smiling.
Yes, a big, warm smile. I think she is a good seller.
I agree. When a seller smiles, I feel comfortable. I want to buy more.
Me too. A smile is very important.
Now look at the woman in the middle. She has gray hair.
Oh, yes. She is older. Maybe 60 or 65 years old.
She has glasses.
She has a green bag, a tote bag.
She looks kind. She looks like a grandmother.
Yes, she reminds me of my grandmother. My grandmother loves markets.
Really? Tell me about your grandmother.
She is 70 years old. Every Saturday, she goes to the market near her house.
That is sweet. Does she buy a lot?
Yes, she buys vegetables, fruits, eggs, everything. Then she cooks a big lunch.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. I love home cooking.
Me too. My grandmother is a very good cook.
You are lucky, Tom.
I know. I am very lucky. Okay, let's look at more people.
Yes. Look, there is a woman in a green shirt in the middle of the picture.
Oh, yes. She is looking around. She looks curious.
Yes, curious is a good word. She is looking at all the stalls.
She has a big basket, a brown wicker basket.
Yes, it is a beautiful basket. Very natural, very simple.
I want a basket like that. I always use plastic bags. That is bad.
Yes, plastic is bad for the environment. A basket is better.
I want to change. I want to use a basket or a tote bag.
Me too. Look, many people in this picture use bags, not plastic.
Yes, the woman in blue has a tote bag. The older woman has a tote bag too.
Good observation. This market feels eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly. That is a new word for me. What does it mean?
It means good for the environment, not bad for the earth.
Oh, eco-friendly. Okay, I remember now. This market is eco-friendly.
Yes. Now look at the right side. Do you see the man?
The man with the beard?
Yes, he is a seller. He is smiling.
He looks friendly. He is holding a tomato.
Yes, he is showing the tomato to a customer. The customer is a young woman.
The young woman has curly hair. She is wearing a yellow top.
Yes, she is looking at the tomato carefully.
She wants to check if it is good.
Haha, yes, a good shopper always checks the food.
My mother always does that. She touches every tomato before she buys.
My mother, too. All mothers do that.
It is funny but smart. You need to buy only the best.
Exactly. Okay, look at the back of the picture. What do you see?
I see more people. Many people walking.
Yes, the market goes far. It is a long market.
I see more stalls. More colors. Red, yellow, green awnings.
Awnings? What are awnings?
Oh, awnings are the covers above the stalls, like a small roof.
Oh, yes, I know them. Like a shade cover.
Yes, exactly. They protect from the sun and rain.
That is very important.
Yes, a market without shade is very difficult.
Look, the awnings are very colorful. Red, yellow, green.
They make the market look like a festival.
Yes, like a party. A food party.
Haha, a food party. I like that idea.
And look at the sky at the top of the picture.
Oh, the sky is bright, light blue and white.
Yes, the sun is shining. It is a beautiful day.
A perfect day for a market.
I agree. Warm, sunny, and full of fresh food.
This picture makes me feel good. I feel positive.
Me too. It feels like a happy community. People helping each other.
Yes, the sellers help the customers. The customers support the sellers.
That is beautiful. Local markets are important for communities.
Yes, when we buy at a local market, we help local farmers.
Exactly. It's better than a big supermarket.
I agree. A supermarket is easy, but a local market is more human.
More human. I love that, Tom. Very true.
Thank you. I think markets bring people together.
Yes, look at this picture. People are talking, smiling, walking together.
Nobody is looking at a phone.
Haha, yes, no phones, just people and food.
That is rare today. Everyone always looks at their phone.
I know. Sometimes I want to put my phone away and just be present.
Me too. This picture reminds me to do that.
Yes, to enjoy the moment, to talk to people, to look at real things.
Beautiful. This picture has a good message.
I think so too. Okay, Tom, last question. If you are in this market, what do you buy?
Oh, good question. I buy mangoes first, my favorite.
Of course.
Then I buy tomatoes and green beans for cooking.
That sounds healthy.
Yes. What about you, Mia?
I buy bananas and oranges. I drink orange juice every morning.
Oh, fresh orange juice. That is delicious.
Yes, and cheap at the market. Much cheaper than the supermarket.
That is true. Local markets are cheaper and fresher.
2 good reasons to go.
And a third reason, it is fun.
Yes, 3 reasons. Fresh, cheap, and fun.
Mia, let's go to a market this weekend.
Yes, great idea. Saturday morning?
Perfect. Saturday morning. Early before it is too hot.
Good plan. We go at 7 or 8 o'clock.
7 is good. I'm an early person.
Me too. Early morning markets are the best. Everything is fresh.
And not too many people yet.
Exactly. Okay, it's a plan. Saturday, 7 o'clock, local market.
I'm already excited. And a little hungry.
Haha, me too. This picture makes me very hungry.
Let's go eat something now. And then on Saturday, we eat at the market.
Perfect plan, Tom. Perfect plan.